everyone, it's PokeBree and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very exciting mystery box that we are going to open. I saw this at Walmart and I'm not usually the type of person to go for mystery boxes, but this Team Rocket Returns is intriguing. I would absolutely die if I pulled this pack. So in this mystery box, you get 3 booster packs and 1 online code card. And in very small letters, it says Chase Pack seeded 1 in 10. These are known to not be the best, but we will give it a try. But before we do that, we are going to start off by opening up 6 booster packs of Paldea Evolved. So I have actually not opened up a lot of Paldea Evolved. So I basically need everything from this set. Code card. It's just 1 to the front. So we have a basic energy, a Murkrow, Mischievous, Sneasel, Gothita, Dendra, Palisand, Raichu, look at how cute he is, a Luxio, a Shinx, and a Veluza Hollow. So nothing in that pack, but that is okay. On to the next one. I really do like the artworks on these packs. I think when Scarlet and Violet came out, I was not so happy with how I thought Pokemon was going, but the more and more that I open these packs, the more and more that I actually start to like Scarlet and Violet. Okay, so we have a basic energy, a Tadpole, Girafarig, which is one of my favorites, Great Ball, Rellor, a Fighting Owlette. I don't even want to try to pronounce this because I'm going to say it wrong and everybody will roast me in the comments. A Quaxwell, a Larvitar, a Gothita, and a Rabsca Hollow. And boy, is that off-centered. So nothing in that pack. Hopefully we get something out of one of these 6. If I can get this to open, these are very... One thing that I will mention is I feel like since Scarlet and Violet came out, the packs are a lot easier to open, which I do appreciate. So basic energy, Frigibax, I'm butchering these names, Tandemaus, Sedaddle, Nacli, a Luxio, Mabostiff, Pupitar, a Noibat, a Toxicroak, and a Garganacl Hollow. Now, I probably said that wrong. So far we are striking out on these packs. I was hoping maybe I would have better luck. Code card, 1 to the front, basic energy, Makuhita, Magikarp, which is a lot of people's favorites, a Slowpoke. Now, I will admit that the artwork on this is beautiful. Litleo. Oh my god, I'm gonna say it wrong. Farigiraf. That's horrible. Zweilous. Spidas. A Honchkrow. Reversal Energy. And a Spiritomb Hollow. Man, we are striking out bad on these 6 packs, but that's okay because I've not actually got to open packs in like a week, so I feel like I'm kind of going through withdrawals. Code card, basic energy, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff, Primeape, a Mismagius, Brambleghast, a Larvitar, a Clavel, and a Luxray Hollow. Oh my gosh. Can we get last pack magic? Come on, Paldea Evolved. You're doing me dirty. Code card for you guys. One to the front. Basic Energy, Palmy, Larvitar, Dino, Sandygast, a Toxicroak, Crocolore, Pelipper, Artisan, a Litleo, and a Hariyama Hollow. Wow, that was brutal. Good thing that the main course is this mystery box. So we're gonna go ahead and crack this open and see what we have in here. So I'm going to try to like hide it from myself. Okay. So the first thing we have is a code card. Divergent Powers tin. Okay. And the first pack that we have is a Shining Fates. Okay, not too bad. I did really enjoy Shining Fates, so I'm not mad about this pack. Geez, I'm really like demolishing that. Code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I still have not pulled that Charizard, so let's see if we can get it in this pack. Energy, Thwackey, Tropius, Rotom, Morpeko, Coughing, Gossifleur, Rowlet, a Cufant, okay, a Lapras Shiny, and a Yanmega. So I will take this because I actually have not pulled this card and I really like it. So 1 hit so far. And let's see what our next pack is. Our next pack is going to be Brilliant Stars. So that's also okay with me because this set has a lot of beautiful alternate arts that you can pull. Code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have Energy, Dusclops, Morgrem, Hunting Gloves, Buizel, Gibble, a Trapinch, an Execute, Starly, a Staraptor, and a Shaman V-Star. So far we are 2 for 2 on hits in this box. We'll put it right there. Okay, in the moment of truth, what is our last pack going to be? Oh, a Celebrations pack. Okay, that's fine. That is okay with me. So I do not remember, I think it's like the third one or something that is different, but we are just gonna go straight through it. There's the code card. Okay, so we have a Dialga, a Zekrom, an Imposter Professor Oak, and a Surfing Pikachu. So let's sleeve those up. So we did not get, I don't think that we got a chase pack because I doubt that Celebrations, I mean, maybe Shining Fates could be a chase pack to them, but we did not pull the EX Team Rocket returns, which that's okay. We went 3 for 3 on packs for hits after Paldea did us dirty. So that is all right. So that is what we are ending on. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.